Hello everyone, we want to introduce our startup Web3k wallet. Web3k is non-custodial wallet in Telegram, based on Solana blockchain. Easy to use for beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. What we can bring to Solana. First of all, bring new people. Thanks to our unique Telegram mechanics, we are able to attract more than 1 million users to our wallet. Second, mass adoption. Our wallet is easy to use. Beginners in crypto will easily understand the functionality and main functions of the wallet. Why we do our wallet in Telegram. First of all, it is a popular messenger with a huge number of users we can involve in our startup. Thanks to Telegram's unique mechanics for attracting new users to various projects within the Telegram messenger. We make some research on Telegram and find success cases of realization Web3 wallets by different blockchains and attracting a huge number of users thanks to Telegram mechanics, and good marketing. These projects have already attracted millions of users in a short period of time. You can see a small statistic on this slide. Basic functions on our wallet. Our wallet supports basic functions, balance checking, transferring, and receiving cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. What we do next, we plan to implement staking and Launchpad in our wallet, which will increase user engagement of our wallet and attract new users. We plan to implement staking and Launchpad in our wallet, which will increase user engagement of our wallet and attract new users. On this slide, you can familiarize yourself with our roadmap and our plans for the near future to develop our project. Thank you for your attention.